on Sunday night's close. We did close it below that. It's not, unheard of in history for us to drop below and then get, a remarkable recovery. We did break out, obviously got rejected from the 50 SMA. So the red line there is the 50 SMA. Sorry, 50 EMA, and the dotted line there is the 50 SMA. Okay, so 50 EMA on there. So you've got those two lines there. So 50 EMA weekly is the red solid line, and the dotted line is the 50 SMA. As you can see by this wick here, we came up and got rejected, and obviously we came back down. The fractal in the background there, guys, as you know, if you've seen the video before, is basically a copy of the bar pattern here. And sure enough, we got a very similar reaction to that. I was disappointed actually, that we did break down from here. I mean, I did mention in the last video that perhaps the hopium was that we would stay inside this range here, but I did say it tongue in cheek, and I did chuckle to myself when I said it. So, guys, I hope you were well prepared, and you didn't get too badly stung by, the what is the first part of this move, which I think is going to be clearly a lot bigger. So if I just show you just this little area here from the last video, guys, this blue bar here is basically, if you looked at the last cycle, what I've done is I've measured from the high how far did Bitcoin reach below the high. So the high point here to the low point here was just under 22%, so 21.87%. So the reason for that blue bar there is assuming that we did the same again. So from the cycle high, which was the 69,000 high, if we dropped down that 21.83%, we would be into this range. Which incidentally, if we drew a fib from the bottom of the range there to the top, it's actually the 382. And obviously, you've got this area here of of consolidation. So it would make sense that we get some kind of consolidation in this range, and there obviously will be bounces, I think, even on the way down to here. I don't think we're going to come all the way back down to here straight away. We did drop below the lowest support here on the weekly, so that this one here, 78,393, is the lowest support, candle body support, that we've got, and we did close below that yesterday. So on Sunday night's close, we did close it below that. It's not unheard of in history for us to drop below and then get a remarkable recovery.